Wow, look at that! It looks like Lightning McQueen, but he's blue! Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing this Black Decker Junior Starter Tool Set. It comes with 15 tools and accessories. It includes pliers, a hacksaw, a wrench, some play wood, some nuts, a tape measure, and some screws. We have some screws and some bolts. Here are some pliers. Here's a wrench. Here are some pieces of play wood. Here's a hacksaw. And a tape measure. It even has a block on it. And you can hook it to your pants. So fun! I wonder what we're going to use these fun toys for today. Wow, look at this! It's kinetic sand. Let's measure it. So fun! I wonder what's inside. We have a different color. Look, it's gray. Let's dig it out. What is it? It's a mighty machine. It's a steamroller. Let's see what's next. We have so many different colors. There's a blue one. There's a pink one. There's another blue one. And another green one. Let's check out this blue one first. I see the surprise. Let's grab him. It's Chase from Paw Patrol. We have so much fun with these tools. It's time for a green one. Let's find out what's inside. Ooh, I see something. Let's dig him out. It's Goofy from the Roadster Racers. Let's do this gray one. I wonder what's inside. I see the surprise. Look at Stuffy from Doc Mcstuffins. He's in his lab coat. Let's try this green one next. Wow, look, it's a green car. What a fun Hot Wheels vehicle! Let's do the pink one next. Look, it's Ariel. She's in a beautiful pink dress. Here's our last one. Let's find out what's inside. Wow, look at that! It looks like Lightning McQueen, but he's blue. Is it really Lightning McQueen? Let's find out. It is! It's a Dinoco Lightning Mcqueen. And look, it's got wheel action. These tools are so much fun. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.